This is the last of the modded decks I have yet to film. This is the
Dick's elevator at the purple parking deck. This was modernized January of this year. The only thing is, this lantern here doesn't work.
oh well, so much for pointing the camera at it.
And this one here doesn't work either. Alright. Level. See, look at how tall the COP is.
Yeah, stand from the back.
And then here's the wall.
This seems pretty fast, but it's not as fast as the JCPenney one.
Yeah. Newly painted.
This one looks really nice. You can kind of see up in the fan.
Yep. It has a voice also.
And it does have the paint down
and
here.
Look at the machine room. Organ elevator on it.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Nice. They're from Long Island City.
Yep. And the indicators are always up there. Once you get up to the second floor.
Alright.
Motor.
As someone who's been on the original elevator, this is badly needed.
Yep. And the doors are pretty fast.
Yeah, so this one got completely rebuilt.
Yep. The old indicator.
Just like JCP and the Macy's.
Well, the
wall
Macy's ones
shots.
weren't entirely rebuilt.
But they have the high ceiling.
Yep. Also, let's go back up to 2.
Again, these press weird. I don't know what it is. They just press weird.
Indicator. I don't know what that noise is.
It reminds me of 1000 Another Bullet every time it passes the lobby.
Yep. Also, I'll show you the door trick. Its voice is very faint. And then look what happens with the doors if you don't press any buttons.
Very old elevator kind of thing right here. And then
go to LL. Because then I'm going to show you something once we get there too. It's a glitch with the lantern down there.
this thing's relatively loud going down.
Yeah, I would expect this to have an epic motor, but it's kind of just average. I'm going to set this up. Listen to the voice. It's faint. And yeah, this lantern's broken. But if you pull it down here, I'm going to send it up to the first floor just to show what it does. And then here it goes. Now I'm going to call it. It's going to get there in a couple seconds. So, watch the indicator. See? Yeah. And it says it's going up still, but then when we call it back down, it corrects itself.
That's fine.
Yeah, well, this is the only lantern that actually works. All the other ones don't work. Alright, I guess we'll take it up to 2, because that's 3 to get back in there. But yeah, this mod, I would give this a 9.5.
It's decent. Smells new.
It's totally replaced and
I can still do the thing.
yep. And there is a security camera in here.
There it is.
Yep, right here.
That's a camera?
Yep.
That's for
Yeah,
the
look. Look at it.
I thought that would be like the communication camera, not like a security camera.
Actually, yeah, it is a security camera. I can tell. Yep.
I think it's for the communication feature.
Yeah, probably. Communication features on the first floor.
And there it goes, and that will be all.